It's devastating, babe. He left you. You didn't deserve that. Maybe he's seeing someone else, which makes things even worse. You're stalking social media, which is making you lose respect for yourself. You're stuck in this situation. Let's help you get out. Babe, you attracted this person in the first place. You attracted him. There's something about you that's extremely attractive that got this person to melt over you. And then what happened? Fear, doubt, worry started to invade your mind, and nobody taught you how to handle this, which filled you up with needy energy, and needy energy repelled. Needy energy is repelling to everyone and everything. It is icky. It is not the vibe, babe. Learning to release needy energy is key, babe, if you want to attract him back. But more than that, if you want to attract the version of him that you deserve and keep him. There are 3 specific keys you need to learn to release needy energy and release it fast before making things worse. I will be diving into them in the free True Love Challenge that starts on Monday. If you haven't signed up, the link's in my bio. Babe, you can actually learn to shift this. And not only that, you deserve to.